back to PMR. Today we have the Nano Armor 3 Flow Lab Screen Protector. It has your scratch protection, high quality, and smudge resistant. This is for your iPhone 14 Pro Max. This is what's in the box. Use your barcode or serial number. Then we got it for $25. Put a link down below. So let's open it. This has a lifetime replacement guarantee. Here's your installation guide. What's inside the packaging is alignment tray, microfiber cloth, cleaning wipe, dust sticker removal, the full screen dust removal sticker, and the screen protector. This is our iPhone 14 Pro Max. As you can see, our screen protector has a hairline crack. Let's remove it first. Let's see how hard it is to remove the old screen protector. The thing is, with the flat screen, the screen protector really sticks to that screen. So it's going to be a little tricky taking this off. Tried using my fingernails. It's just stuck in there. Oh, it's coming off just a little bit. So what I do is just put a little bit of sticky tape in there, just like so. Then I put it on this corner here. I could just lift it up just enough to shove something in there. And I'm going to try to lift this up and actually grab a card here. So once there's a little bit of gap in there, I can just squeeze this in. Oh man, this is strong. It's kind of coming off. Ow. Now this didn't work and the credit card didn't work either. So I'm going to try this little pry tool right here. I mean, I think you could even get like a plastic spoon. Just go in that corner. Just kind of push. Oh, look. Oh, there. There. Got it. Now I can use this. I went to go wash my hands again just to make sure there's like no grease or anything. Let's grab our cleaning wipe. Clean the screen off our phone. Make sure you get the corners as well, because that's where the exposed screen is. Just try to get it as dust free as possible. I know we still have the sticker, but you just kind of want to take it off for now. Take out the dust. Wipe it dry. Open one side. Just kind of line it up. Doesn't have to be perfect. Get this side out. Go ahead and put some pressure on it on the screen so it takes all the dust out, even in the corners. You can actually fold this too. That's what I like about the Flow Lab Screen Protector. You got this huge dust removal sticker. I mean, you still have the little ones just to do it later, but just doing this alone would get a lot of the dust out. Before I take out the sticker, I'm going to get everything ready to minimize the dust moving around. You know what? I'm going to get one out. Minimize the dust flying around. Take this off. Remove this huge dust sticker. Do it slow so no, minimize the dust flying. This is where you want to get meticulous, because any dust that goes in there once you put the screen protector, it's going to be a little bit tricky taking it off, taking the dust out. You see one right there. But the tray, do it slow, might have some dust on it. Just check it again that there's no dust. Just make sure this goes on top. You have that little cutout for the speaker hole. You have the screen protector. Drop it down. If I press it down, I just want to make sure that these dusts are from the outside. So if I have any dust inside between that screen and the screen protector, I can still take it off fairly easily. So I really took my time on it, just being meticulous so that I wouldn't have to worry about taking it off if there's any dust. So it was a success. As you can see, no dust. We are good. So I'm going to go ahead and just kind of press it down. Let's go ahead and take out the tray. You have a little bubble right here at the corner, so I just kind of use my fingernail. Press it down. So there is a slight gap between the protector and the actual screen. And there's that cutout so it doesn't block that speaker hole on top, which is what you want anyway, because if you put a case on this, if it's right next to the frame, it might start bubbling up. Now my hands is fairly clean. And I'm sure you'll get some sort of fingerprint in here, but with clean hands, you don't have to worry about it getting really dirty. As you can see, you can't really see it. Feels good on the hand. Let's go ahead and turn on the phone. Smooth and responsive. Dynamic island is working. Just trying the timer. Stopwatch. Nice, good, clean clarity. As you can see, you have yours.
Nice,
clean, responsive. Switch. We'll try to if it covers closer for your lanyard. Quick test fit in case the screen protector gets in the way of these cases. Silicone case. No issues. Apple's leather case. Once again, no issues. Apple's clear case. Pretty good. Spigen's. This one has a tighter fit. As you can see, barely any gap, but it doesn't push it or bubble it up even if I press on it. So that's good. Here's the top, also tight fitting. And at the bottom, Pitaka's Aramid fiber case. This also is just a slight gap. I mean, you can still see the exposed screen there, but it's still good. It doesn't bubble it up when I press on it, so it's still a good fit. Here's the bottom, side. Let's look at it on the top. Just an FYI, as soon as I started taking off the case, it bubbled up, so it is touching it. So it's a little bit on the tight side. We were able to just push it down again and there's no bubbling there, but be aware if you have tight fitting case, it will affect your screen protector. That's why I wanted that little bit of a gap on the side. This one's a little too close on the screen. We meant filling the whole screen. As you can see, there's a little bit of gap here. This one's a little bit tighter, but we used the alignment tray, so just be aware. So that's your FlowLab Nano Armor 3 iPhone 14 Pro Max screen protector. It comes with this accessory, make your installation a lot easier, like the tray and the huge dust stickers. We got it for $25. We'll put a link down below. Let us know if you have any questions. Subscribe and stay positive.